The American dream is built on a lie, so woven into daily life that most people never notice it. It exists in houses, streets, dollars, promising prosperity while shaping who wins and loses. The paradox isn't corruption, but belief. America's greatness wasn't built on gold or industry alone, but on debt, dreams, and the illusion of infinite growth. Skyscrapers, suburbs, and consumer booms were funded by borrowed dollars, assuming tomorrow would be richer. The dream required endless belief and expansion. The American dream was engineered, not discovered. It turned citizens into borrowers. Prosperity was mortgaged. In 1913, the Federal Reserve institutionalized debt creation. WWI proved borrowing could build power, not weaken it. By the 1920s, installment buying normalized debt and fueled Wall Street. But in 1929, belief cracked. The Great Depression wasn't just collapse, it was a crisis of trust. Money vanished because it was credit, not reality. Instead of rejecting the lie, the U.S. doubled down. The New Deal revived growth through deficit spending. Dewey expanded that power. Bretton Woods made the dollar the global anchor. Post-war America embraced credit. GI Bill, suburbs, cars, baby boom, all debt-financed. Borrowing became patriotic, saving outdated. In 1971, Nixon detached money from gold. Money became belief. Debt became infinite. The mechanism exposed. Banks create money. Governments borrow to spend. Citizens borrow to live. All assume tomorrow will pay. Debt compounds. The ladder rises into clouds. Magnificent but fragile. Crises repeat. Oil shocks. S&L.com. Housing crash. Debt rescued debt in 2008. Trillions from nothing saved institutions that created money from nothing. Modern consequences, student loans, housing unaffordability, middle-class strain, national debt. The system requires growth. Without it, collapse. Debt built highways, innovation, and power. Pragmatic, not malicious. But belief-based systems crumble when belief breaks. History shows the cycle. Faith, expansion, fragility, collapse. Today, the dream is borrowed, aspirational, often unattainable. Homes cost decades, education lifetimes, healthcare threatens ruin. The system depends on high costs to sustain borrowing. The dream is no longer achieving prosperity, but chasing it. Awareness isn't surrender. Debt is tool. Belief is force. The lie becomes insight. The dream becomes a choice. Money is story. History reveals. Understanding gives clarity.